Hey gang, back at it again. So let's talk a little bit about your calendar. So once you've logged into Canvas and you want to kind of know what's up for the week, what have I got assigned, what's due, when, all that kind of stuff. Well, if you want to look and see ahead of what you have planned or what's in store for you or what's in store for your child, you're going to want to direct your attention way over here to the left to our little gray ultimate navigation bar. So this is where you do things like check out tech resources, check out your courses, all that kind of stuff. You're going to want to come over here and scroll down to the calendar looking thing that says calendar on it. And once you click on this guy, you'll open up the calendar. This is your master calendar, the calendar for all of your courses. And when you open this up, you see the following. All right. So this lists out a couple things. Things due for me, right, because I'm a student in some classes for our school. For example, I have lesson plans that are due on certain specific days. Over here, however, you'll notice also we have some assignments that are due. These are for my students. And it kind of lists it out for the student month by month, what's due when. And you can look over here, different calendars, different colors for different specific classes. So I'm actually interested to know if you can change. Ooh, by clicking on it or clicking it off, you can turn things on and off. I didn't know that. So as to whether or not they're viewable on your Canvas calendar here. And you can change the color, so let's do something a little bit prettier there for life science. We'll go with a light blue. There we go, and you can see it down over here. So it's a nice way to kind of keep track of where you are in your courses and what you have going on, and you can add things in here yourself. They're a little, you can edit an event, make a to-do list. This is a really good way to keep track of things and maybe even let your parents see what you need to keep track of or that you're keeping ahead of things. Hey, Mom, look, I'm planned out my whole week to get ready for my essay, that kind of thing. These things can be very helpful, and I'm sure Canvas does notifications if you have the app on your phone as well. So that would be well worth it, downloading that Canvas app. Okay? All right. Well, that's pretty much it for the tutorial. If you really want to know more, you can click on things and see what's there. So you can click on the actual assignment, and it'll take you to that location where you can submit anything that's due or take quizzes that are due, that kind of stuff. All that is on there for you. So, I love that that's the question that pops up first. Oh, man. Okay, anyways, so there you go.